My guest, Herman Manyora, political analyst, and Michael Agwanda, joining us live from all the way in Kisumu City. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for coming tonight. And just to begin, I watch your YouTube channel a lot. And if you haven't watched Herman Manyora, that's the YouTube.
Yes, thank you very much.
Good work, you know. They inspire us, especially me. I watch to get how you're thinking. So,
wonderful. Thank you very much.
Leo, later, all the thoughts here, right here on the table.
Thank you very much.
And of course, Wakili Agwada is on the other side in Kisumu. Thank you also for joining us. Always a pleasure having you on board. All right, gentlemen, let me begin this discussion. And my question or my statement is, for the first time, Manyora, if we ever had doubt that political parties in our wenyewe, this is a confirmation that political parties have their owners.
Yeah, this is Kenya, and that's how we play our politics. But it's not just Kenya. You remember twice in America, Bernie Sanders has been frustrated by the owners of the Democratic Party. First against Hillary Clinton, you remember that?
Yes.
And most recently against Joe Biden. So it's not just in Kenya. Political parties have owners. The grand old party in America also has, they tried to frustrate Trump, but they failed.
They failed because it was with the people.
In 2016.
In 2016,
they failed.
Yes.
It's always, I think it's almost across the world, that parties have really owners. Yeah. Of course, ours is a little crude, eh? Yeah.
How crude? How so?
Kienyeji, you know.
You know,
owners in a very simple, basic way. Almost banal, you know. Yeah.
Very interesting, Mike, because the outcome of this election showed us one thing. If you knock my door as a political party, if I open, I open. If I don't open, I don't open the door for you. Did you get that feeling?
Yes. It is true that most of our political parties are owned by individuals and not necessarily a corporate body that it's supposed to be. That's the most unfortunate about it. Our political parties are driven by individuals. If an individual is so strong and he has started a political party, people will join that party. But most cases is about that individual that is perceived to make the next president. That's the person that everybody wants to join. And so I don't think it's anything to do with our philosophy. It's only anything to do with the motto of the party. It's anything to do with the philosophy of the party. But it's all about the individual that is driving that vehicle to presidency position. Unfortunately, that's where we are. We've seen a lot happening lately, where basically people will associate themselves with deputy president more than the party itself. We've also seen people who are associating themselves with Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga more than the party itself. And we've also seen people who are associating with President Uhuru Kenyatta in the Jubilee Party more than the Jubilee Party itself. And that's the fear, that when this individual exits the stage, then the party crumbles. And we just seen what has been happening with with Jubilee Party until very late, that suddenly the president is starting to revamp it to where it was before. This also makes unbelievable amount of money in the sense that when people are scrambling for the ticket, as now is the season of the ticket, a lot of people surrounding this very powerful individual seem to take advantage of the situation of the aspirants, and that's where the aspirants lose a lot of money, unfortunately. It is a place basically now when, as you've said, when you knock a door of a political party and you're who is who, then it depends with your position in the society, and most likely, are you going to be seen by the honor of the party or by the small people? And if you'll be able to be seen by the honors of the party, most possibly you might be able to get that ticket. We've seen a lot of issues with nomination being cited with many parties in this country in the last 1 or 2 weeks, and we're yet to see more in the next 3 days or so before 22nd. And this is because Everybody wants to be in the leadership. Everybody wants a piece of pie of presidency or government, and they are looking to that individual that will make the next government, not the party.
Okay, and Mike, this cut across, let me bring it to Manyora, and the other testimony that we got in this week, and we continue to get it, is that no party is immune from the after